Hi guys, this is Shalini, and today we are here to discuss about digital marketing. What is digital marketing and how it helps to entrepreneurs to grow. All right. So before start the webinar, let me quick introduce myself. My name is Shalini, and by profession, I'm a software developer, software engineer. All right. But I just start my journey as a digital marketer just to learn digital marketing program by DDIP, Digital Deepak Kanakaraju, and I just try to grow businesses, to help to grow businesses, how they reach their goals, and how they get sales and more sales, right? So that's all about me for now. So let's start the presentation. So I'm just quickly share my screen with you. So just wait for a second. Yes. So as I told you, today's webinar is all about what is digital marketing and how it helps to grow businesses and entrepreneurs. All right. So guys, what is digital marketing? So marketing begins with a with a true understanding of our consumers and their needs, which leads to a creation of a product that is appropriate for them. That means if you like a product, if you want to purchase a product, all right, so you just focus on that product, not the other product. All right. And another point is sending the right message to the right person at the right moment is what marketing is all about. That means guys that if you want a book, right, if you want a book for now, but you go to the market and buy the book because you have the requirement to that book at this moment. All right. So sending a right message and you just see a ad on your TV that you about the book you want to purchase, so that is the right time to buy that book because it's your need to buy that book and you just saw the advertisement. So the next one is the goal of marketing is to establish a brand and establish a role in the consumer's mind. The most effective form of marketing is word of mouth. So guys, if you become a brand, all right, so you need not to promote yourself, because if you're selling a good product, so everyone will going to buy a product if they have the need to buy a product. You need not to go and just let them know that yes, my product have this kind of quality and I'm offering these kind of products. No, because you become a brand and you have the product that which is very efficient for all the peoples and that has the quality. So the next one is company culture, people, market, the economy, business companies, individual businesses, enterprises, and developing countries are all important to the marketing. So all these concepts are related to the marketing. These all are the components of the marketing. Now, digital marketing, the new revolutionary way of marketing. As you heard about before, that if you want your business to grow, you just publish an ad in the newspaper, or you just promote your company, your product to the through the television medium. All right. But in the digital marketing, you promote your business, your product, your services through the ads, to the digital ads. Like you use social media platforms. All right. Social media platforms means Facebook platform or Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. You run Facebook ads to reach to reach your consumers, to use your customers. Google ads, you run Google ads to sell your products. You send emails to your customers. You just run the ad on Google. Content marketing you do, because content marketing is a very strong point of digital marketing. It's a very strong component. You just start blogging, lead generation. So through all these mediums you will going to just grow your business. All right. And the other one is, guys, as I told you that marketing is of two kinds, right? Traditional marketing and digital marketing as well. So what is traditional marketing? So before, you already heard about the newspaper ads, television ads, all right, banners. These all are kind of traditional marketing. But here we will discuss about digital marketing. All right. So digital marketing is also a part of marketing, but not through the traditional way. It uses some internet. Without the internet, as today's world is internet world. All right. So without internet, you will not able to do digital marketing. So digital marketing is very important for today's business to grow. If you want your brand, if you want to grow yourself, so you first need to just grow your market on the social media platforms. Okay. So traditional market and digital marketing both are important, but now, as I told you that now is the today's internet world. So digital marketing become a very important part of everyone's life or everyone's business. If they want to grow seriously, if they want to, that more people just know about their product, so you must go with the digital marketing. So there is a three P's in the digital marketing. First one is product, because if you have the product, then you start marketing. All right. So first you must have a product, you must have a service. Next is price. Price is the amount of business charge its consumer. Price that suppose you have a service, so you must have to fix a price for the consumers. Okay. And the promotion. Now the last one is promotion. If you have product, fine, and you just set the price for that product, but you are not able to do the marketing, you are not able to do the promotion, so these first 2 points are waste of you, there is no use. So if you have a product, so you must do the promotion for that product. All right. So people go for the television ads and the newspaper ads, but in today's world most of the people, they are just going for digital marketing to sell their product, to promote their products and services. Now digital marketing, how it helps to grow, right? It's have lots of components in a digital marketing. So few components are content marketing, which is a base of marketing. If you have a good content, if you have a good strategy of content marketing, then you are ready to sell out your product, you're ready to sell out your services. Next one is email marketing. You just send an email about your product to make us customers. All right. So if you send a right email to the right customer, so it will also be very beneficial for you. Next is blogging. Blogging is also in a boom, and you run Facebook ads, Google ads, and most of the guys prefer affiliate marketing as well. Okay. So now, as Mr. Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, said, it's hard to find things that won't sell online. So it is very true in today's world, guys, because if you don't have your social media, uh, if you are not on social media platforms, so no one knows you, it's very hard to sell out your products. So to sell out your products, to reach your consumers, to the right consumers, you must have to do digital marketing for your product. All right. Now benefits, what are the benefits of digital marketing? The first one is reaches to the people where they spend their time and money. All right. So that means if people have money and they have time to watch your ads, fine. So might be in future, not now, but in future when they have requirements, so they definitely come to you and purchase your product. Next one is levels and playing fields for small businesses. If you have a small business and if you want to grow your business, if you want to scale your business in a very high level, so you must go for the digital marketing. You use social media platforms. All right. Third is more targeted, can be hyper personalized, more advanced analytics, because if you are using, suppose if you are using Facebook ads, if you're running Facebook ad to just sell out your product, So it's a very good so Google AdWords also give you a very good benefit that you can just check it out what kind of people they are just coming on your website, they are coming to you, purchase your product. So according to that, you also scale up your business according to the demand, according to the consumers, according to the people's views. Next is easy to scale and adapt. Best ROI. ROI means return of investments. Fine. So you will get a best ROI if you are using a digital marketing. And align how people stop today, how people prefer that businesses reach them. Integrates marketing with mobile technology. And digital marketing benefits in multiple way as well, because it reduce cost of marketing. Suppose guys, as you just want to publish your ad in the newspaper, so it takes lots of money from you. All right. So if you go to the digital marketing, it's very cost effective. It will not going to charge a lot of money from you. Increase sales if you are go for the digital marketing. So the chance of your sales to increases becomes high rather than in the publishing ads and all. Enhance brand reputation. If you are on social media, so your brand reputation always become high. Higher success rate. Globally presence. All people know about your business, what kind of services you are providing, what type of product you are selling. So most of the people, because as you know that there is no in according to me, all peoples are using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So if you are promoting your product on these platforms, so most of the people know about your product and services. So next one is reputation management. All right. So all these are the benefits of social media marketing or a digital marketing. All right. So this is all about digital marketing and how it's benefit to your product, for your business, and how it helps to grow yourself. Fine. So I hope you enjoy this webinar, and if you have any comment or if you want to say something, you can just ask in a comment box if you have. As today's webinar is all about it, and just wait for a minute. Yes. Someone asking, is there any scope of the digital marketing in rural areas? Yes, of course. Because in rural areas, like in rural areas, also people are using mobiles. If they don't have laptops and all, so it's not necessary to have laptops. And if because everyone have mobile smartphones and also internet. So yes, if you are in rural areas and if you don't know about laptops, how to use them, but you must have a smartphone. So with a smartphone, also you can go with the digital marketing. Yes. Now, guys, I'm going to finish this webinar, and I hope you got some in lots of knowledge about it, if I'm not wrong. So thank you for joining. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.